Are you good? Bro. Anyways, so this is day 3 of our spring break. Yes, spring break, but yet we're in the snow. Okay. So, Paula, where are we?
We are in Mount Hood.
Mount Hood. We literally drove a few hours to get out here. Adriana, look, guys, I'm about to show you why they keep falling. I'm about to show you guys in a bit. But we're literally about to do it's like a 3-mile loop or a 2-mile loop. And yeah, we're gonna get some nice B-roll footage and enjoy this beautiful mountain. It's not even cold out here. That's the really crazy. Huh?
You're not supposed to tell them you're getting B-roll footage.
You guys are gonna get B-roll footage. Anyways. Whoa, literally, Kim.
Literally, Kim, you're being so rude.
What is going on? Let me show you guys what's going on. You guys.
What do we do? Carry them? I'm just gonna carry them, yeah.
Oh my goodness. Anyways, yeah, so we're about to go hike, and then after we hike, we're actually gonna drive 3 hours to go to Cannon Beach. So, yeah. Yo, this place is magical. Look how amazing it looks in here. It's so cold, I don't even want to talk right now. Hold up.
Whoa, what?
And it's not even cold out here. That's the really crazy. Yo, you guys having fun or no? Alright guys, so I actually had to change into the GoPro because my camera started messing up and it's actually super slippery over here. Yo. Oh, it's
Can you take my Snapchat video?
Yo.
You're funny.
Look at this view. I can't get over this view. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna be so annoying, but
Yeah. Come on, Stephanie, get behind me. Hey guys. Ad. Oh yeah, LLB ad. PR, holla. Barber, holla. Lululemon, holla. Target, holla. To us. Holla.
sponsor us, dude. Oh snap! It's literally slippery up here.
Slippery.
Oh.
Oh, we should try.
So yeah, whoa. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's literally a huge mountain across from us. Let me show you guys. Hold up. Huh? I don't think you guys can see it, but it's all the way over there.
Right? Like, I feel like this is a postcard. That's my biggest concern. He needs to eat 25.
All right, so all right, guys. So I'm super excited to go to Cannon Beach, and that thing is 3 hours away. I'm like 3 hours away, right? So I'm telling these guys like, yo, let's not eat. Let's just go drive out to Cannon Beach and then just find something out there. And what'd you guys say?
We want to eat. We want to eat. And I might die if I don't. Adriana has to eat. This is not a drill. What do you guys think?
This is honestly what happens when you just...
Leave your comments down below. Do we eat or do we go?
No, we're going. This is what happens when you travel with a group of females.
Whoa! 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 He wants
I'm
to get
just
slapped.
kidding, guys.
Without us, he would be lost. Without us, he would literally still...
Literally, I just played dumb, and I literally just played dumb until they figure out my problems. they solve them.
Good to know. You're gonna get stabbed by them.
Guys.
Me too. Because we would not have seen the mountain. No, heck no. That's okay. That's why things just happen for a reason. All these nice people here in Oregon.
Oregon.
They know all the biggest secrets.
Oh my god.
Dude, and
That's
they
gonna be
just like,
so exciting.
I'm dying.
I'm glad they told us.
dude, that is so cool. She said Christmas.
Like, I know it's a double R.
10 minutes.
You sold yourself out. You sold yourself a bad job.
So we were actually leaving Mount Hood, and on our way back down from the mountain, we randomly found this cool bridge over this stream of water. Yo, it's beautiful, man. I love Oregon, man. It's just, look at this view, man. You guys, man. Yeah, we pretty much, the girls are waiting for me in the car, so we gotta go. Cause we gotta be at the beach in a few hours, so. We have finally arrived at Cannon Beach after driving for like 3 hours. P, give us some history about this beach. Wow, Paola came with the facts all weekend, and today she just
Just go down there to that floor and read it.
Read it off to them.
no, but it's for the viewers, bro.
Yeah,
Anyways.
you read up a book.
I'm about to show you guys why we came here, okay? You guys are the worst. You guys have no more energy. But I'm about to show you guys why we even came here.
Okay.
Oh my god. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bro, I've been trying to do this outro for like 10 minutes. Back to the vlog. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed.
So much fun.
This was
Oregon.
Oregon.
I
It
hope
was
you guys
epic.
enjoyed it.
Honestly,
No, you gotta redo it.
oh my god. Back to the vlog. Just want to let you guys know that this is how we're ending the video. You guys are the. Yes,
I
I
hope
hope
you guys enjoyed Oregon.
Yeah,
We
so
sure did.
this is actually this is actually our last night in Oregon. So after this, we're going to Seattle.
Seattle, baby.
So make sure you guys subscribe, like, and share this.
Comment down below.
You guys do that.
Find out
And
what I
then
need
we
to
will be
make.
hiking in Seattle and doing some other activities. So until next time.
Hopefully we'll get a little sleep by then. You know?
Peace.